Here is the HB Toys RC Drift 2. It's a 1/24 scale, 4-wheel drive drift car. So first we're going to do a little unboxing and then we're going to go test it out. So here we get the instruction manual. Here is the battery. It's a 3.7 volt, 500 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. And then not the USB like you normally get, it's a US plug. It shows two different charger options. So this one came with the US plug and not the USB. Here's the controller. It clicks on the throttle and also on the steering, so non-proportional, and takes 2 AA's, not included. It comes with 6 cones and then a spare set of wheels, and these wheels have rubber tires, so you can switch these out with the ones that are on the car. So there are 6 different models of this drift car that you can choose from. So I got the Ferrari F430. I really like the way this one looks. It was my favorite of the 6 models, but it does come with like a hard plastic tire on here, so that way you can get the drifting. And then if you want to just run it without sliding all over the place, you can switch it out with these rubber tire wheels. But here on the bottom we have the steering trim and then your power switch. Here's the compartment for the battery. Let me open this up because this lid looks pretty big. I wonder if you could fit a bigger battery than this. Look how big that battery compartment is. You have plenty of room to put a much bigger battery in here. I don't know why they only include this small battery for... Oh, we got headlights. We got LED headlights. No, I thought maybe if you go in reverse that the rear lights would light up, but they don't. It's just the front lights, but still pretty cool that they light up. And as I mentioned, it's 4-wheel drive. It really slides around on the table. The HB Toys Ferrari 430. Yes, I got it charged now and I have the cones set up. I don't have them in any type of particular pattern. I just set them up randomly just to try and drift around them. We're on a nice slick concrete floor. So let's see how good this car is at drifting. Love the LED headlights. Oh, actually I should say, not how good the car can drift, but how good I can drift. I never actually had a drift car before this one, so this is a first attempt at, oh boy. Just gotta get a feel for it. Oh man, I almost got the cone there. This car is actually really cool. I am enjoying myself. I didn't go around this cone yet, so let's, oh man, that. Oh, across the floor drain. It was pretty quick too. Love that it's 4-wheel drive.
Oh, I got the cone there. Maybe, let's see if I can go in between. See if I can slide between them. Oh, I got it. Oh, I thought I could get the gap there, go in between it. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm definitely not experienced at drifting. Doesn't mean I'm not having fun though. So now I want to test out the rubber tires just to see if they grip pretty good, which I think they're going to grip much better. These are just a hard plastic tire. So I'm going to have to put the car on the lift to change the tires. Okay, we got the rubber tires on now. So it is just a regular car now, not a drift car. Still pretty cool. Either way, if you put the drift wheels on or if you put the regular rubber tire wheels on, I think you're still gonna have fun with this car. I'm enjoying this car. I can't believe it's like $25, somewhere in that price range. HB Toys makes that short course truck, which I just made a video on, and I was impressed with that. I thought it was pretty good, and it had the 4-wheel drive. I'll leave a link to that. Pretty similar performance-wise. Okay, so you see how it sticks to the concrete just a little bit better. Actually, a whole lot better. But there we go. I like this car. I like this car a lot, actually. This is one of my new favorite budget cars. I did forget to mention that this does have front suspension. I don't know if you noticed when I was taking the wheels off and switching them out, you could see the suspension on the inside of the wheel there. So it does have suspension in the front. It does not have any suspension in the back though, but I like this car a lot.
HB Toys did not disappoint, especially for the price. Around $25 on Amazon. You get the LED headlights, you get the 2 sets of wheels and tires, some cones to make a course, and it just looks really cool. Decent battery life, got about 10 minutes of runtime with this. Towards the end of the battery, it does start fading and it struggles to drift then. Another thing is, I don't know if you can see these tires here, but they are all scuffed up. They're kind of pitted from the cement, and what that does is that actually creates grip. So it was a little bit harder as I wore these tires in. It was a little bit harder to drift it, even on a full battery. And the only negative thing I could find with this car is the non-proportional controls. But I really like this car, and I'm going to put this in for the April giveaway. So how the giveaway works is, if you want this car to be the giveaway for April, then go ahead and smack that like button. The like button is your vote for your favorite RC car for April, and I'm only giving away the RC that has the most likes. So to get yourself entered, all you have to do is be a subscriber and comment down below. Your comment is your entry, but your comment is only your entry for this car. I'm only pulling comments off of the most liked RC for the month of April. I suggest commenting on all the other videos that are labeled April giveaway, so that way you have an entry in on that RC, because nobody knows which RC is gonna be the giveaway for April until May 1st when I do the live drawing. And that's when I announce which RC was the most liked RC and who wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.